Mona Clark. So I'm doing a very simple, no foundation, no concealer because one, the weather is hot. That's it. So we're going to start off by cleaning our face in case you're following. And I'm going to be using this. So it's this toner. I'm going to put the name on screen. Is it Pyeongkang? That's because I'm in a hurry. And I have somewhere to be at real good before going in and moisturizing. So I'm not going really heavy with any because I said it's hot. And I cannot be bothered to be fanning myself like my life depends on it. Cleansing done. Dustbin. Next, we're going to moisturize. I'm using my Nivea cream because I just like it. That's good. Now, because I do not have time, and this is supposed to be a quick tutorial, so that kind of defeats the purpose. So now we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to brush my eyebrow anyway. Just going to look away because my mirror is right in front of me. So just brush, 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 brush. Done. Now we're just going to go in with shadows. I saw this pink blush trend. I just really find it very cute. Hopefully, I do not ruin it. So I'm going to try it anyways, but bear with me. So I want to go in with a brownish shadow, just like deepen the color a bit. So I'm just going to go in with a brown concealer like this, and I'm going to blend this out. Now I can't be the only one that loves using her. It's not everything you should use a brush for. Especially it's on your own face and your hands are clean. So just use a finger. It just for me it looks better. So just going to do that. I mean I'm still going to go in with a beauty blender, but I'm just going to use this to look at how delicious. I don't know, brown on brown skin is just so next I'm going to go in with liner. And this is kind of going to pull the look together so it doesn't look well strange. Oh my lord. This is so chaotic. Where's my mirror? Powder or let's just go in with I think I should go in with powder blush because I don't know. I just feel like it'll make my life 10 times easier. So before that, I'm going to further with my brush. Going to reinforce that blush right there. So I'm going to go in with powder all over my face to get rid of the oiliness. As I said, I'm not going in with any foundation. I don't want the sculpted look. I just want it to look really cute, really nice, amazing look. So yeah, just going to go in those places. What am I going to use for the lips? I'm going to sculpt it out with black. Okay. Draw it out. Love that. Sorry about the background noise. So sorry about that. Just wanted to do the ending credits. 1 2 1 2. Well, this is working. 1 2 1 2. Okay, so this brings us to the end of our quick makeup tutorial because I have to get out of here right now. But this brings us to the end of our quick makeup tutorial. This is how the makeup turned out. I love how this makeup turned out. It's so beautiful, so cute. Okay, so if you love this look, if you love this foundationless look, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to leave a comment because a lot of you have a bad habit of not leaving a comment. Leave a comment. Don't be shy. I mean, I'm shy too, but I'm in front of you. So leave a comment. Let's change our bad character this as we're entering a new year, okay? Leave a comment down below. Even a little, heart button goes a long way. So till next time, bye guys. Okay, I'm so in love with this look. Okay, bye. I have somewhere to be.